So guys, can you believe actually I did my so can you believe I've spent like I don't know, like a month without scrubbing. When I went to Kenya, my face, like, it just got worse. It was okay, but right now, by the time I came back, it was so bad. So right now it's just getting back to normal. Today I've scrubbed, and yeah, that's how you're seeing. So my pores are open. I just applied my oil plus my Vaseline, and yeah, we're going to be like that for some time because we don't like it. Hey my loves, so I'm done with everything that I had to do. So right now I'm going for my nails because they really look so bad. This one broke and it is so painful. These I don't know, it's been a month and my nails look so bad. So I'm just from doing laundry, cleaning the house, and yeah, everything, my bedroom. And then right now I'm going to go for, it is actually 2 p.m. and yeah, I made an appointment very early in the morning, and of course I'm going to go when they're expecting me. This is my outfit, boyfriend jean. I'm sure this is not new to you. This t-shirt and my open shoes. I got these from Kenya, Nairobi. That is how my nails look. Like, look at this. It's not good. So I got these open shoes from Nairobi and I love them. They are really comfortable. So let me go do my nails, and then I'm expecting to go to town in the evening with my friend, but I don't know whether I'll be done. Though I'm not going to do, I just want to remove these and I leave my nails, like the fingernails, just like plain, and then I work on my toes. So fingers crossed we achieve what we want. Of course, I'm going to do the best color, that is white, on my toes. So bye, see you.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew